Yo guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this heatwave picture collage effect in After Effects. Starting off, I already have one clip right here. Then it transitions into multiple pictures right here that I just went ahead and freeze framed from the summer's music video right here. Then I got this clip right here, and then I just extended it out right here at the end. So what I'm gonna do first is go ahead and create an adjustment layer right here. Then I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna zoom into our timeline a good amount. I'm gonna cut up our adjustment layer. It's about what, right here. Push it towards the middle. I want to have it at the middle, so I might push this out a bit. So I think right there is pretty good. And then I'm gonna add exposure onto our adjustment layer right here. And then I'm gonna go to the beginning of our clip. I'm gonna click our time watch, open up our keyframes. Then I'm gonna put this around at what, maybe 2? Yeah, maybe 4. We need a bit much brighter, maybe around 6. So it gives a nice white flash right here. Maybe around 9. Yeah, right. I think 9 is probably the best. Then you want to put it all the way down to 0 right here. Oh, whoops. Put it down to 0. If you go ahead and if you want a bit much brighter, you can always put it up to 10. And highlight these 3 keyframes, easy it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate this layer. Then I'm gonna put it on the middle of our clip, not the middle of our clip, but the middle of our pictures right here. Then I'm gonna do it for all these videos and clips right here. Same thing, just go ahead and put it in the middle. Then right here for the end, I'm actually gonna open up our timeline, and I'm gonna push out this one, our last keyframe, a bit much longer out, so we have our flash effect actually die out a bit more longer instead of how it looks right here. So it gives a nice white flash effect. So once after that, I'm gonna save our project. Then next up, I'm gonna go ahead, go to our left side right here, go to new, and we're gonna create a new adjustment layer. Bring this adjustment layer all the way up above all of our adjustment layers we just made and our clips. We're gonna add noise onto our first effect onto our adjustment layer. We're gonna turn off use color noise, and we're gonna put our noise at 15. It can also be at 20. Close out the noise menu right here, and then for the next effect I'm gonna add, it's gonna be colorama. It's gonna be under color correction. Head over to our output cycle. Go to use preset palette, and we're going to put on fire, or if you want you can go ahead and put it on fire and smoke, but it doesn't really look like the best. It gives a much harsher look, but I recommend putting on fire. Once after that, I'm going to close out the colorama menu. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the glow effect. I'm going to go down here, go to stylize and drag and glow. I'm going to put our radius up to 96. Going to give us a nice glowing effect. Save our project so we don't lose this effect we just made. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut our adjustment layer about right here. So we want our clip to start transitioning about right here. Next, we're going to start keyframing our opacity. So we're going to bring it down all the way to 0. Keyframe our opacity at 0, and make sure it's at the beginning of our adjustment layer right here. So we're going to have it start transitioning to the color around when we start having our flash transition about right here. So we're going to bring in our opacity all the way to 100. And you can see right here how our clip starts to get more color from the color effect we added from colorama. So you can see right here how it starts transitioning right here. If you want it to be much longer, you can go ahead and push our keyframe back. And then once after that, we're going to do the same thing like how we did earlier. We're going to create another keyframe. Then we're going to have it die out to 0 opacity right here. We're going to cut our adjustment layer right here. Maybe have this one die out as well. And yeah, close out our timeline, save our project, and yeah, that is how you create this heatwave picture collage effect in After Effects. I hope you guys learned something new today, or just enjoyed watching this video. If you did, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, leave a comment, or just even share this video. You guys don't have to, but it does help support me and helps my channel reach other people who want to learn new effects. And with that all out of the way, keep on staying creative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.